Hey everyone, so I'm going to try and give you a quick overview of the research process in just very simple terms so that you can get a general idea of how it all fits together. So here we go. Okay, now you can see up there that we've got the entire research process on one page. Very simple. There's really essentially four components to the research process. That's all it is. You've got your problem statement. That's where your research question would be. So just defining what the problem is or what the question is that you're trying to answer with the research. Okay, then you've got your data collection, where pretty obviously that's where you collect your data. You've got the analysis, which follows on. And then finally, you've got your, well, what's called here report writing. But of course, it's really writing up the findings. Might be a report, it might be a presentation, might be a journal, etc. So that's really just, very broadly the four aspects of the research process. Now, you can see that I've put in there quantitative and qualitative. That's really just to show that whether you choose quantitative or qualitative, it's the same research process. You're still going to have your data collection, your data analysis, and your report writing. Obviously, the elements that make up each one of those, that is the data collection, the analysis, and report writing, would be a little bit different whether you choose, or depending upon whether you choose quantitative or qualitative methods. But let's not get bogged down in that for now. For now, let's just remember that we have this very simple research process, and that's all it is, just four elements. Okay, now what I'm also going to show you is a much more detailed breakdown of that research process, where now I've got the original simplified overview, but I've added in all of the little sub-issues that make up each one of those four moments, if we could call it that, the four phases of the research process. So I've filled in a number of little sub-problems that make up the problem statement area. I've put data collection and analysis and report writing alongside quantitative and alongside qualitative in this slide because the subcomponents change between the two. So, but you can kind of see and read for yourself what make up those subcomponents, and hopefully having those. Okay, well, I hope that showed you a little bit about the research process and that it's not very complicated, really,
from the stuff that we've learned,
and that this will give you some kind of idea of how to structure your research and how to make sense of where to put all the little bits and pieces.